What's up, guys? Six Box Mixer Random Teams number 2. We are going live. Timestamp is 6:15. I already have the teams in and the names in. We randomize both. Dice has to be 4 or more. It is a 9 times for the teams. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Cardinals on top, Bengals on the bottom. Easy HDCU is the code for the teams. Let's do the names. Again, 4 or more. 7 times on the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Brian Kolish on top. Chris Krill on the bottom. DPBUSL is the code. Wherever you line up is who you get. There you go, guys. And we are done. Timestamp is 6:16. Thanks, guys.